here tonight to build this, the lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber is wielded by our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. The lightsaber is elegant. It is enigmatic. But most importantly, the lightsaber is a reflection of its builder. They say the Force will join the two together as one. That is the connection you are destined to experience. The Kyber crystal is where we'll start, but it won't take long, I promise. You see, the crystal will focus the energy of the Force. There will be a color you feel drawn to. That color crystal becomes the color of your lightsaber's blade. Like the blue crystal, wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. The green crystal, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, just like the one wielded by the great Master Mace Windu. And red. They call it the color of power. Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. Now here on Batuu, it is wielded by Kylo Ren himself. But I don't think that you traveled all this way to not laugh at my jokes. No, you came all this way because you are the future of this galaxy. So what crystal is yours? Take a moment, close your eyes. I want you to picture one of those four crystals. What's the first color that the Force calls to you? What color do you see? Now open your eyes. Reach out and choose your crystal. Now, travelers, I say, let's build. Stand. Place your hand on that hilt, and trust me, take advantage of this moment. Just close your eyes. You have gone through quite a lot to get here. This moment is to quiet your mind. Take a breath. You've earned it. Now picture your crystal becoming your lightsaber's blade. I feel the Force in this room. So open your eyes, remove your hands, and please take a big
Well done. Chosen not only with skill, chosen with heart. When joined to the art, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is time. Travelers, you are about to experience the bond between saber and builder. In a moment, you will approach your lightsaber. You will place your hand upon your hilt, and when I say activate, simply slide up on your switch. Travelers, it's time. Step forward. Hand on your hilt. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have created a lightsaber, like the Jedi, and like the Sith who have come before you. You will change the galaxy just as they did. But my new friends, remember, it only takes a spark. Now, deactivate and lower your saber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, if you choose your path. You can. May the Force be with you.
You know what they say about remarkable power. It should not be dropped on the ground. Ha, I worked so hard for that laugh, travelers. Thank you. Now we have the saber sheath that you get because you suffered through my sense of humor. And because it's the last thing we can do to help your journey. And the saber you hold is created to light your path. So my friends, exactly that. Let it light this room again. Raise your sabers high and activate. Congratulations. Don't spire.
Fill the spire.